Alright, do this video. Right, motherfuckers, I'm here at the allotment, obviously. Not sure if that one there's ready, or that one, because they still look pretty green, but they are a bit cockeyed, so I don't know. Maybe they're just too big to support themselves. But as you can see, God, it's so I'm sweltering. This fucking thing. But I'll do it from a different angle, because it's awkward to see. But yeah, you can see so starting to go a bit funny colour here. Tony reckons she found crickets in there. Don't know what that's about, but I can't see none. But yeah, so there's Tote, second time running. Right, I'm out of here. Peace.